At Smart Glass Technologies, we understand the value of your time. That's why we prioritize efficiency and reliability in everything we do. From the moment you reach out to us, your satisfaction becomes our top priority. We're committed to delivering exceptional service and products that exceed your expectations. Our dedication to customer satisfaction extends beyond mere promises. We tailor our services to meet your unique needs and preferences. Whether you require smart glass or smart film solutions, our team has the expertise to customize them according to the specific requirements of your project. With Smart Glass Technologies, you can trust that your time is respected, your needs are understood, and your satisfaction is guaranteed. Experience the difference with us, where customer service isn't just a slogan, it's our way of doing business.